welcome to my channel Butterfly Junior Coder. Today we are going to create calculator app. It is just a mini calculator which will perform basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We use calculators in our day-to-day life. So without wasting time, let's start to create our app mini calculator. So this is code.org page. First we will click on create and then app lab. It will open this window. Now we will go in design, take one label, then two text input, 4 buttons, and one text input. We will name this as type numbers. Make text color full black color and make font size as 30. Okay, now we will type here as number 1. Now just copy it and paste it, and instead of number 1 type here 2. Now this button we will name add, then this subtract, this multiply, and this divide. Now we will give color to these buttons. So we will make text color as dark blue and background color as light blue. Then dark blue and light blue. Okay. Now we also dark blue and light blue. Dark blue and light blue. Okay. Now we will type here as your answer. Okay. Now to make it more attractive, we will choose one image. Okay. Now let's move in code. On event, when button 1 is clicked, and set text to text input 3 in math. So this is add button. So we will take addition sign, then get number and get number. Here we will take text input 1 and 2. So text input 1 and 2. Same here. So on event, when button 2 is clicked, set text to text input 3. Then in math, so this is subtract sign. So we will take subtraction, then get number and get number, text input 1 and text input 2. So same process for multiply sign and divide sign. So when button 3 is clicked, set text to text input 3. Then in math, we will take multiply sign. Then get number. Here we will take text input 1 and here text input 2. Like this. Now again we will take on event. Then when button 4 is clicked, set text to text input 3. In math we will take divide sign. Then get number from text input 1 and 2. And our app is ready. Let us check our app is working or not. So let us check our app is working or not. We will take here number 1 as 8 and number 2 as 2. Then addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. So our app is working properly. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications of